How to disable background apps in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to stop apps from running in the background and using up your system resources. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Apps in the left sidebar. After that, click on Installed Apps on the right side of the screen. From here, find the app you want to restrict and click the three dots next to it. After that, select Advanced Options from the menu that appears. At this point, scroll down until you see the Background Apps Permissions section. From here, click the drop-down underneath it and select Never to stop that app from running in the background completely. Following this, repeat the same steps for any other app you want to restrict. Finally, if you want a broader approach, open the Settings app, click on System, then click on Power and Sleep, and scroll down to find the option to limit background activity when on battery, which helps preserve power on laptops without going through each app individually. That's how you disable background apps in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.